Hello, my name is Dhanraj Kumar and I have completed AI-powered MERN food delivery application, a production-ready full-stack food delivery platform built using the MERN Stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, Node.js. This application features a modern architecture, secure role-based authentication, seamless online payments, and scalable backend design. What sets this project apart are its intelligent AI features, leveraging AI to generate dynamic food descriptions, analyze restaurant review sentiments, and automatically generate food images. Its key features are security and authentication. It uses JWT and sessions, secure authentication using JSON web tokens, and HTTP only cookie sessions. Second, role-based access, distinct authorization levels for users and admins. Data protection, password encryption using Bcrypt. It uses request size limiting and protected routes. It uses account recovery, forget reset password functionality with secured tokens. Error handling, centralized API error handling for reliable debugging. Restaurant and menu management. It uses and filter, browse and filter, search for restaurants and filter menus by veg, non-veg, and specific food categories. Dynamic menus, detailed food items with rich description and user-generated restaurant ratings. It uses smart shopping cart and order flow. It has synchronized cart, backend synchronized cart with dynamic quantity management and automatic updates. It has restaurant rules, single restaurant cart rules, cart automatically resets when switching restaurants. It has order life cycle, track order history, view details, cancel orders, and restore stock automatically upon cancellation. It has secure payments, which is integration. It has secure Stripe checkout sessions with shipping address collection. It has automated workflow, payment verification, trigger automated order creation, stock updates, and cart cleanup. It uses AI integrations, the USP. This application leverages multiple AI models to enhance the user experience and reduce manual data entry. AI food description. It utilizes Grok Lemma model to generate appetizing menu description. Responses are cached in MongoDB to optimize API usage and reduce costs. It uses AI review sentiment analysis, analyzes raw customer reviews to generate overall sentiment, key pros and cons, final AI review. It will give AI image generation, automatically creates placeholder, food images using Pollinations AI for menus item lacking photography. The tech stack of it, domain and technology, front end, it is made by React White Redux Toolkit, React Router, DOM, Axios, Font Awesome, React Toastify. The backend is made by Node.js and Express.js. Database, we are using MongoDB Atlas and Mongoose. Security, JWT, Bcrypt.js, cookie parser. Third-party APIs, Stripe payments, Cloudinary image hosting, AI services, Grok AI, Pollination AI. For the database collection, we are using for the users store authentication, roles and profile data, restaurants, details, location, rating and status, menus, food items, categories, pricing, stock, AI images, and AI description, orders, order status, items, totals, and payment references, cart, active user cards with item quantity. Project structure is like for food delivery app, and in that the folder for frontend and backend with the readme file. The frontend contents are components which are reusable UI components. Second is pages, which are the main application views. Redux, which is the state management slices and store. Hooks, which is custom React hooks. Utils, helper functions. In the backend folder, we have controllers, request handling logic, routes, which are API endpoints, middleware, which is responsible for auth, errors, and validation middleware. Models, Mongoose database schemas, utils, AI integration and helpers, config, DB, database and third-party configurations, server.js, which is the entry point, and we have our readme.md file. Local development and setups. We can use for cloning as well as building this project demonstrate the proficiency in designing robust REST APIs and MVC architecture, which is Model View Controller. Implementing secure production-ready authentication and authorization. Handling complex MongoDB relationships, indexing and cloud database integration. Managing global state and caching efficiently with Redux Toolkit. Integrating third-party payment gateways, Stripe, and AI APIs. Optimizing performance via lazy loading and API caching. For future improvements, we can improve on the real-time order tracking via WebSockets. We can use dedicated delivery partner dashboard. We can use admin analytics and sales dashboard. We can use CI/CD pipelines, push notification for order updates. We can add Google Maps integration for accurate delivery addressing. We can use Docker deployment and Kubernetes support. It is made by me, Dhanraj Kumar. I'm a full stack developer. I have completed Webstack full stack with this project, and it is one of the best projects I have made. It is a production ready full stack delivery platform which is built using the MERN Stack. MongoDB. MongoDB is the database. Express.js, which is the server in which we can build our app. React is a JavaScript library in which we can make the front end of the website. And Node.js is the powerhouse, the V8 engine which powers the JavaScript websites. It is feature rich as well as has AI functionalities. Every functionality includes AI as well as its working. The core business features of it are interactive store discovery. Users can browse, search, text search, and filter restaurants. For example, veg, non-veg, filters, ratings. Second, unified shopping cart. Persistent backend synchronized shopping cart that enforces business rules such as preventing users from mixing menu items from different restaurants in a single order. Cart auto clears with a user warning if they switch restaurant. Third, Stripe payment gateway, a fully secure checkout flow using Stripe checkout sessions, allowing customers to pay in local currencies, which is the Indian rupees, and input their shipping details securely on Stripe hosted landing pages. Fourth is order management and stock restoration. Customers can view order details, track statuses, and cancel orders with a specified window. Canceling an order automatically restores inventory levels in MongoDB. 5. AI GENIE menu assistant uses a Grok API Lemma 3.3 70B versatile to generate appetizing culinary description for food items in real time, caching results in the database to prevent redundant API charges. 6. AI Review Sentiment Analyzer uses Grok API Llama 3.18b instant to analyze customer reviews, producing a sentiment rating positive, neutral, negative, pros, cons, bullet points, and an AI verdict. Features a 6-hour database caching TTL. 7. Automated AI food photography. On server startup, a background worker query food item lacking images and automatically generates professional food photography prompts via Pollinations AI. The technical stack and system architecture. The tech stack. Front end, React, White Power DS modules, Redux Toolkit, state management, React Router, DOM routing, React Hostify, system notification, Font Awesome for icons. The backend uses Node.js, Express.js for RESTful MVC architecture, Pug template, engine, email template views. For database, it uses MongoDB Atlas, Cloud Database, Mongoose ODM. Third-party services, Stripe payments, Grok API AI interface, Pollinations AI image generation, and Cloudinary for static asset management. The architecture and request lifecycle. The backend operates under an MVC, model view controller structure, where routes delegate logic to specialized controller modules. The database in Mongoose schema architecture. The data model consists of 6 primary collections. The association, indexing, and automated a pre-saved business logic. It uses the user schema user, the restaurant schema for restaurant, the menu schema for menus, the food item schema for food items, the order schema for orders, and the cart schema for cart. Global State Management Redux Toolkit. The application utilizes Redux Toolkit to manage client-side state dynamically, eliminating prop drill. Store configuration store.js. The root store aggregates 5 primary slices. Restaurants hold such queries, sorting options, and lists of loaded restaurant objects. Menus tracks categories, listing, and individual food items for the active restaurant. User holds the authenticated user object, authentication status, error, states, and loading indicators. Card synchronizes client card additional removals with backend API routes. Orders stores active orders, order history, and cancellation states. It has intelligent integrations with Grok AI and Pollinations AI. This application features advanced AI agents that run either on demand or as asynchronous process. GENIE AI food description technical pipeline utilizes the Grok API with the high-performance Lemma 3.370B versatile model. Prompt design instruct the model to act as a culinary copywriter for Indian cuisine, producing a concise, appetizing 2-3 sentence description. Caching strategy. In order to minimize API costs before initiating a request to Grok, the database is queried. If the target food item has AI description cached, it is served immediately. If not, the generated description is saved in the MongoDB. AI review sentiment analyzer, automated seeding, and AI image generation. Technical pipeline. It uses Pollinations AI for text to image mapping. For the security, resilience, and error handling system. For the application layer security, first is we use JWT verification. Requests to protect routes must pass the protect middleware, verifying the token from signed cookies. Second, role-based access control and admin verification middleware authorized roles admin protects endpoints like delete actions. DOS prevention. Node parser size limits are restricted to 30 KB on JSON and URL encoded requests to prevent large payload memory attacks. Encryption. Secure password hashing via bcrypt 12 rounds and hashing of password reset tokens in database storage. Second is error handling middlewares. A centralized error handling middleware overrides default Express error HTML formatting. It intercepts standard operational errors, mapping item to structured JSON responses. Cast errors, mongoose remapped to resource not found status 404. Validation error, formats validation errors, for example, mismatched passwords, invalid emails into clean messages. JSON Web Tokens error, remapped to JSON Web Tokens is invalid. Try again status 404. Token expired error, remapped to JSON Web Tokens is expired status 401. This is a full stack web application built on the MERN Stack. The front end is built using React wide powered and manages global state using Redux toolkit. The backend is built using Node.js and Express.js, adopting a RESTful MVC pattern. Data is stored in MongoDB Atlas, which is managed in the codebase using MongoDB ODM. Now I am going to give you the full demo of this website. This is the full stack application which is made by me during the Webstack full stack developer MERN internship. I give thanks to Webstack Academy for teaching me this kind of so much logical things, and they have taught me really well. So I give big thanks to them. We can search for the restaurants in the search bar. Like if we want the KFC, we can search KFC and we can get the KFC restaurants for matching the data. It uses pure veg ratings, reviews. We can do the logout and we can use the logout and it will fetch the data. For right now it is 8 restaurants are available and here is the logo, and we can search also for KFC. Here is the KFC menus and KFC crispy tenders. We can add to cart and we can add the quantity, like how much quantity we need, and we can add But for now, we have to log in first, So we can create an account, but I have created already. So I am going to log in. I have logged in my account. This here is my name. My name is coming, my account, my profile settings, manage your custom profile and orders. Everything is coming, name, email, phone number, and here are my recent orders. My cart is empty, so I have to order some, and like I will order from Imperial Restaurants. It has this this food dish, or we can select some pure veg. Haldiram, it is saying it's delivering Haldiram samosas. We can add it is added to the cart, and we can control the quantities. We can add and we can lose some. We can subtract also. And here is the checkout page, the delivery details. We can add some delivery details. For example, I have filled with this details. We can use the payment methods like cash on delivery, COD, online payments, Stripe. For now, I am using the cash on delivery method, and these are the order details. The restaurant Haldiram samosa 2 pieces, 30 rupees. Subtotal taxes, delivery charges, total 72 rupees. Place order. I'm placing the order right now, and see, these are the order details. These are the items I have ordered. This is the order summary, and status is processing. Payment, cash on delivery, restaurants, Haldirams, subtotal 30 rupees, tax 2 rupees, delivery 40 rupees, total 72 rupees. This is the delivery address. For this is for just an example. This is mine, but this is for just an example. We can also cancel orders. This is my orders page, and these are the orders that I have made. These are orders made by me. I can cancel the order also, like it is saying. I can select a reason for it, but this is optional. We can directly cancel the order. Yes, I want to cancel this order, and order cancelled successfully, refund if applicable in 5-7 days. Cancellation policy. You can cancel any processing order at any time before it is delivered. So yeah, this is the full stack MERN project Food GENIE application built on the MERN stack. The frontend is built using the React White powered and manages global state using Redux toolkit. The backend is built using the Node.js and Express.js, adopting the RESTful APIs, which is managed by the codebase using MongoDB ODM. Thank you very much.